So let me show you how you can close a crashed app on your Mac computer. So if an app becomes unresponsive and you cannot really close it, then just go to the top left corner of the display and click on the Apple logo right there. This expands these options and I want you to click on Force Quit. When you go like this, you'll see all of the apps which are currently running in your computer. So for example, you go to an app, you select it, and then click on Force Quit like that. It's gonna quit it even though it was not responsive before. So as you can see, if an app doesn't respond for a while, select the name and click Force Quit. So it's kind of a usual process. It just happens sometimes, and that's how you can do this. You should also know that there is like an additional way to control the open apps on a Mac, and it is using this application. So as you can see, it's called Activity Monitor. So this is what you need to look up on your Mac. It's very likely you're going to have it. It's an app which is like built in. So just open up this application like this, switch the view to the memory, and let it load up for a while until everything shows up below. And then this is going to show you not only the apps which are running, but also like different processes, right? Because as you can see, I have like Notion app currently open, but I also have the Notion helper and like another helper, which are using up like together 1 gigabyte of the RAM, right? So you can control these things individually. For example, there is like a Loop application, which was simply not even open in there in the Force Quit menu, but I can double click it like that and either quit it normally using the quit button or force quit it if it's not responding to me. So that's what you can do. That's how you can close it. And it is no longer taking up the RAM or running in the background. So that's how you can do this. Let me know if you managed to find it on your Mac as well. Subscribe for more, and I'm going to see you later in future uploads.